For each element, identify the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Oxygen, helium, sodium, scandium. Number 1, the number of protons. Number 2, the number of neutrons. Number 3, the number of electrons for oxygen. Number 4, the number of protons. Number 5, the number of neutrons. Number 6, the number of electrons for helium. Number 7, the number of protons. Number 8, the number of neutrons. Number 9, the number of electrons for sodium. Number 10, the number of protons. Number 11, the number of neutrons. Number 12, the number of electrons for scandium. Your available choices are A, 8, B, 24, C, 23, D, 2, E, 11, F, 21, G, 12, H, 16. Use this atomic model and available responses to answer questions 13 through 16. This is the atomic model. A, the distance between all particles. B, the shape of all particles. C, proportion of particles to each other. D, moving particles. E, location of particles. F, amount of empty space. G, correct particles. H, size of actual atom. Name 2 accuracies with the atomic model. That is going to be 13 and 14. So the answers to 13 and 14 relate to name 2 accuracies with the atomic model. And then for questions 15 and 16, name 2 inaccuracies with the atomic model. So you're going to choose from these options. A, or I apologize, not A. Use these diagrams to answer questions 17 and 18. Some may have multiple answers. So you have A, B, C, and D. 17, which of the diagrams represents an atom? 18, which of the diagrams represents a molecule? Okay. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. You're going to be putting these terms, A, atom, B, electron, C, molecule, D, neutron, E, nucleus, and F, proton. And put the following terms in order from smallest to largest. So it goes from smallest at 19 to the largest at 24. You're going to place these in the correct order, so you would put the corresponding number for each answer. 25. Scientists have developed an understanding of the structure of the atom. How much time did it take to do this? A, several weeks. B, 200 months. C, 50 years. D, several hundred years. 26. Which is the first development in the atomic theory? A, an atom is small. B, eventually a substance reaches the size of an uncuttable particle. C, electrons travel indefinite paths. D, atoms can be described as a plum pudding model. 27. Which form of energy is stored in chemical bonds? A, thermal energy, B, chemical energy, C, nuclear energy, or D, electrical energy. 28. Which form of energy is stored in the nucleus of an atom? A, thermal energy, B, chemical energy, C, nuclear energy, or D, electrical energy. 29. Which form of energy is associated with the motion of atoms and molecules? A, thermal energy, B, chemical energy, C, nuclear energy, or D, electrical energy. Then for 30 through 38, you're going to complete the table using the options available. So you have subatomic particles here, their charge in this column, mass in this column, and location in this column. The available options are A, 0, B, electron, C, positive, D, neutral charge, E, 1, F, in the nucleus, G, outside the nucleus, and H, neutron.